I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 100% free to subscribe. You are one click away from improving your health. If your health is important to you, click subscribe now. Top 7 Herbs for Healthy Kidney Function. While kidneys are self-cleansing organs, kidney function should be supported by consuming adequate fluids, healthy foods, water, and herbs. In this video, we will reveal the top 7 herbs for kidney cleanse and healthy functioning kidneys. 1. Horsetail, a potent herb that contains powerful diuretic compounds that are helpful for flushing the kidneys and the urinary tract. 2. Celery. Both the seeds and the roots of celery have been widely used for many centuries, thanks to its natural diuretic properties. 3. Hydrangea. The herbal root acts as a powerful solvent and is widely used because it helps smoothen kidney stones. 4. Java tea. Research indicates that Java tea is helpful for dissolving kidney stones and cures some kidney infections. 5. Remedies. The roots of the herb help fight different forms of kidney disease. It lowers angiotensin, thanks to the protective effects it has on gradual renal failure. 6. Marshmallow. Calms the urinary tract tissues and is a gentle and natural diuretic that helps with urination. 7. Amla helps get rid of kidney stone problem and restores the normal healthy function of your kidneys. Have you ever used herbs for kindness health? Share your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I have a small favor to ask you. Like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so we can keep the videos coming, and as a final request, please subscribe.